Look, everyone! What is this? It's an apple. And what letter does apple start with? That's right, the letter A. B for ball. C for cat. Meow, meow. D is for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish.
F for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for hat. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for jacket. J for jacket. K for kite.
K for kite.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nut. N for nut. O for orange. O for orange. P for parrot. Hello.
P for parrot.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rose.
R for rose.
S for sun.
S for sun.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for van. V for van. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X for X-ray.
X for X-ray.
Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.